What is up, guys? Gonna be filming a YouTube video today, playing some Call of Duty. I don't have my PC in my room, so it's gonna be kind of different. I was recording good videos with my PC. Yeah, hold on. I'll be right back. Instantly team deathmatch. I love team deathmatch. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my main XM4 build. I just can't leave it because like I've played with it since like Call of Duty like dropped. Yeah, and if you guys couldn't tell by my skin, I prestiged him. Oh man, team deathmatch, bro. Why? Team deathmatch is the best mode. Yeah, but anyways, oh, did you hear that WW2 is coming to Game Pass in like 6 days, I think. Yeah, mainly my channel like is gonna be more gaming side again instead of like vlogging. Like my first video, I don't know like what I was saying, so we're gonna do gaming videos. Oh, there's a sniper down there. Okay, there's a gay sniper. Snipers are gay. Dude, if you're gonna use a sniper, just come out as gay. I'm actually doing pretty good. What? Dude, I have more kills. How am I not up there, bro? But I guess it's like whatever. You know what I don't get? Is that you can stream however long you want, but you can't like do a recording for however long you want. And I just don't think it's fair at all. Nice, I'm in 4th place. Buddy, we have the same amount of kills. How do I not have more objective score, man? That's why I don't play. Dude. Well, I think I should take out my headset. Okay, so we're still not letting me in. Second. I died. Oh, I guess it counts as like.
Subjects out.
See, and that's why I don't play like the other game modes other than TDM.
Bravo lost. Charlie secured. Losing A. Taking B.
Defense underway.
Lost A.
Moving off the
Okay, at least I made it into like third place.
Bravo. Lost B. Not yet. They're taking C. Mark it down, Bravo. Secret, LDPR incoming. Hostile RCXD in your AO. Enemy UAV inbound. Secure it, B. Mark it down, Bravo. Locked down. B. XD detected.
Throwing subjects.
Losing B.
Lost a flash.
Heads up. Hostile care package inbound.
Eyes on enemy care package.
Baseline in sight. Don't let up.
That's the kill.
Subjects thrown.
That's right, you shit.
Let's go!
Tango down.
Alright, that's basically today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.